Children's Day is indeed a festival for kids. They can express themselves, certainly pampered by teachers and parents with gifts and sweets. India too has its own day for kids, and that's the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru on November 14. Jawaharlal Nehru was not only the first Prime Minister of India but the foremost leader in the struggle of independence.
He loved to spend time with children. In fact, he started wearing a rose flower on his chest after a boy pinned it to him. Children called him Chacha Nehru as they treated him as their uncle. So when India wished to have their own Children's Day, it immediately chose the birthday of Nehru, who loved and led the young generation into the future.
Greetings to all and happy Children's Day. I am Arna Bhattu and today I am going to tell a poem, Being a Child. It is the time when we are too innocent, the time which is superb and excellent. We play with our toys and life is filled with little joys. Life is exciting and alluring but never too boring. I will never forget these days of mine. Like the jewels, they will always shine. And due to the good deeds of mine, if God will ask me for my wish at any time, I will wish to be always smart and good. But my first preference will be my childhood. Thank you, and once again, Happy Children's Day!
खुद रूठे खुद मन जाने